Hey, what's up everybody, it's your boy Jay. So today we got this wide body 392 Challenger, and we're going to show you guys how we do the Flow Series headlights, and we're also doing Flow Series ambient lights on the inside. So y'all stay tuned. So as you can see right here, we got a SCATPACK wide body from factory, and it's actually a shaker. What are we hearing, Joe?
Removing the 10mm bolts, get over down, remove these plastic.
Okay.
So 10mm bolts.
And then you're gonna have a 10mm like right here on the inside, the other side, and then you just remove the 3 clips, and that's it for the top, right?
Yeah, and then 2 bolts on the side. And I already got the 7mm on the bottom.
So yeah, so it's just 2 10mm on each side, and you just remove these clips. And we're gonna show y'all. There's gonna be two 10mm in here. There's gonna be one around here and one like on this side. Actually, with the wide body, it's just one here, I think, and then one here. I got the bumper down. So again, look, this is where one of the 10mm is, and if you got a wide body, the other one's like just right here on the side. And now I'm just taking off the headlights. I already took out one, and we got the lights here. So this is what we're gonna build them. I'll show you guys right now what to do. Okay, y'all, so here I got the headlight. And so what you want to do is you want to heat it. Some people put it in the oven. I don't do that. I mean, but you can. There's nothing wrong with that. But so basically, I just heat it on the side, and I use a flat hit, and then I'll just slowly like pry it all the way, all around. So once you heat it and pry it all around, it starts to get loose. And you can also use one of these. So we got Angel. So you basically remove what, 3 screws? Or how many was it, 4?
Remove 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
So pop out. So now what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna remove this one right here, this gray one, with the Phillips, and then once I remove those, this clip should pop out, or like this, like
DRL
you could say. It should pop out, and then once that pops out, I'll show you. But I'm gonna throw this one. It has 3M behind it, so I'm gonna put it in there, tape it with the 3M. And
yes, sir. As you can see, he already cleaned up all the edge. So once we put the DRL in, we just put it back, put the glue, and seal it. But yeah, and most of the lights we do actually, basically pretty much all of them, we always do lighting trends. So, you know, let us know. We got Angel, he just sealed the first headlight. So he put the DRLs, ran the wire out, and then he put the glue on the edge and put the cover back in. We're gonna leave these for like 2 hours to let it dry. He's about to work on the other one. Meanwhile, I'm gonna work on the wiring for everything. So I'm already working on the wiring for the headlights. And so right here, this is actually what I'm gonna use for the ambient lights Flow series. So we actually got a a module also, and a Bluetooth. And so I'm gonna remove all this. I'm gonna have the wires in here, and then I'm gonna run my power and ground like through here to the battery. So it's been a little bit over 3 hours, I believe, since we closed the headlights, and to be honest, they feel pretty dry now. And we just finished the ambient lighting. I'll show you that right now, but we're about to connect them, put them on, and then I'll show y'all how everything looks like. Alright y'all, so here's the headlights. This is how they look. This is a Flow series, so you got over 200 different modes. You got solid colors. It's Bluetooth, so you can control it from your phone. And if you can see, look how bright that is. So that's also the Flow series ambient lights. So same thing, over 200 modes, Bluetooth from the phone. Super bright. Hit us up on Instagram as well, Fraps. Let me show y'all we're on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. That's where we kind of try to be on more. And make sure y'all subscribe, tune in for the next video for this Liberty Walk wide body GTR that we're currently wrapping. So make sure y'all tune in. Peace.